Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious, healthy apple cake. It's soft and moist and low calorie. I have about 700 grams of apples. When chopped, about 500 grams of apples are obtained. Combine 150 grams of farmer's cheese in a blender. 250 grams of applesauce. Here we also grate the zest of an orange. It's also delicious with lemon. Grind all liquid ingredients until the lumps disappear. We need 100 grams of whole grain flour. I have a mixture of 3 types of flour: green buckwheat flour, soy and pumpkin flour. Soy and pumpkin flour are high in protein. Transfer it to a blender. Add 6 grams of baking soda, 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon, and a sweetener to taste. Mix all the ingredients again with a blender. Add 2 eggs. It turns out a dough of medium density. We shift the dough. Mix thoroughly. Grease the baking dish with oil. We put the dough. We gently spread it, and I'm gonna bake it in the oven for 40 minutes. You can check the readiness with a wooden stick. It should come out dry. We turn the cake onto the board. Now I dust it with coconut flour. And the most fragrant cake is ready. Warm sweet apple cake with an incredible aroma of cinnamon and orange zest. It's delicious. Let's cut it. It's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or really quick and easy healthy cake. The full recipe is available in the description box below. Subscribe and share this video. Thanks so much for watching, and give me a thumbs up. Have a nice day.